All right, here's how to insert a Flipgrid video into a Google Sites for a portfolio. So here you can see I just snapped my really goofy selfie after I recorded my video, and then it gives me the options to download the video or the selfie. I'm going to go ahead and download the video. And it's actually easiest if you just save it straight into Drive, especially for our students, and just kind of have them remember the name of that really long code. Okay, and then now if I go back to my student site, this one was over circulatory, so I'm going to go here. I'm going to come down here and go to Insert, and then from Drive. And I'm actually going to do by last modified. This will pull the most recent things. It is not there. Okay, so I actually went back to this point and I clicked here and then I clicked on the file itself, and you'll see that it is still processing the video, and that's why it's not coming up in my Drive yet. So we're going to give it just a few minutes and then we'll check back. Okay, so that took some time, but it has now fully uploaded. So if I click on this, I can rename this to match what it is I'm looking for. And then whenever I come over here, I'm going to insert from Drive. And I'm going to put Flipgrid circulatory. Okay, and here's my video. So I'm just going to click it and it is going to insert there. And then I actually want to move this down, so I'm just going to drag it and put it in right there. Okay, and from there, that's all I have to do. I just have to hit publish and update that. And now my Flipgrid response is there. This is a great tool to have students respond and then include that in their portfolio. You could have them explain a concept or teach a lesson. They could give their opinion on something, and then that can be included in their portfolio to have video evidence of their thinking.